士無機關槍，呢叫咩嚟㗎？
Zombie Fly Cup。
出嚟啦！導彈 ready。JC 演蛋女顯地間，羅女太性感啦！第一次擔正做蛋女，原來佢份人都好驚青㗎。
Even if I watch a scary movie trailer, I have to turn it off. I'm afraid of it. It's not just fighting, you know. It's like you're cutting people's heads off, and like people are eating people.
聽講佢哋就嚟飛去台灣拍喪屍片啊！尋日劇組喺尖咀搞宣傳。
My boyfriend in the movie is Derek. In the beginning, he's my boyfriend, you know, and then he dies.
話今次演唔似平時嘅佢，有啲似安琪蓮娜喎，走狂野性感路線，仲自爆有 part 俾人企圖強姦，唔怕男朋友呷醋咩？
I hope that I come out of it after the movie with my boyfriend.
咁就睇你挑戰性感極限的男友底線啊！